iwe urigamba inindirigamba tose magamba enchinjikwa iwe uri inindirigamba tose enchinjikwa iwe uri tose magamba enchinjikwa tiripo mare mare tokutenda tiripo mare mare tokutenda postora maerenda maopasiya chinjikwa tiripo mare
stand here before us today. I spoke to Mama on Friday night. She called, so every day in Ndicharamba, I talk to Mama. I think I talk to Mama 8 times a day, and every time it's a video call. To the extent that one day my husband said, I'm pretty running the way you just it was so honestly. And I was like, because every time there's something else we're talking about. I spoke to her on Friday. In the evening, then she said, good night, I love you. Can I speak to Asukuru? So she normally talks to Asukuru per phone power, but on this day she said, can I speak to Asukuru? And then Asukuru Mvawawea, so they called her first lady because she was my dad's first lady. So everybody knew her as first lady. So when we said, but our first lady. So they came, hi first lady, how are you feeling? I'm okay, Osukuru, boyfriend, how are you? Good night, I love you, Ndakurara Osukuru, Angututara Matisiya. Little did we know that this was goodbye. It was around 11, time and no, UK was my 10. I will speak to you. In the morning, I got a call from Taku. When I got the news, Kuti Mama is no more. In my mind, I just thought, no, maybe Vagenda Kuchpatara, Chichaita Nani or whatever. Ndika funeral Papa. Unfortunately, I couldn't reach him, but I was written at the call. And I sent him a message, I think Vagana Matiro, Vanomuka. I don't believe there's anyone I spoke to that I didn't say, pray for my mom, please. She will wake up again. I remember I was not crying because in my mind I thought, and she hears my voice. She's going to get up and say, everything is fine. I got there and I saw her. 3 months apart, what will happen to us? What will become of us? But in the time where I was so bitter and had a lot to say, God reminded me of Job. Job lost 7 of his children in the same day. And I said, Job, I understand that Job lost so much in one day, but this is too hard for me. I kept praying, Kuti Mama Mukai, but she didn't answer until I got to a place whereby I realized, Kuti, there is nothing I can do. There's no prayer anyone can say that will reverse God's time. I may not understand it today, I may never understand it, but God had a reason. There are some people that will come with theories and say, maybe something happened. But we were raised in a way that nothing happens to you unless God Himself has allowed it. Unless evil, it will not happen to you. Even the devil had to go and ask God, can I touch your servant Job? So because God has allowed it, it means it was part of His purpose. So I just want to say to you, my mother, I love you with all my heart. I'm broken without you. I know you're probably seeing Daddy now. You're probably together now. Yesterday I was sitting and I was looking at their bedroom window. And I think Daddy would still be sleeping in his bed. Mama would be right beside him. And then so yesterday I said, saka ndizvo zvamairangana kuti iwewe chitungamirira inini ndichatera vanonamatirwa nani makisiyani vasati vaenda kuchikoro vana. But nonetheless, blessed be the name of the Lord.
Amen, church. ndakagarapo ndakati zvino tadzoka pano zvekare 3 months ago baba vakaenda amai vatiri kati nemwari tichasara naye tichanzikwa naye pakupererwa asi ndisati ndataura mashoko akawanda ndinofunga mese mazinzwira basa rakabatwa naamai ndafunga ndakati ndichatii asi vanhu vauya vakapupura amai vangu vanga vane rudo amai vangu vanga vane rudo mai vangu vanga vane rudo mashoko ekutaura akawanda handina because handina zvekutaura because mapedza mashoko edu ese makataura amai vaisvika panzvimbo yokuti vaitekstira vanhu momugere mwana asiri mwana tarisingarwadziwe taiziva kuti amai vane rudo vaitumira mameseji warara here mwana wangu marara here mama wangu mamuka zvakanaka vaitumira mameseji matatu mwana kati mwana zvakaoma amai vakatichengeta makore mazhinji